Anyway, we're here. This is the last bastion of our democracy. We are taking the fight not in their court, but in the court of the Filipino people.
Correct.
Korte Suprema, the highest court in the land. Dito natin sila dadalhin because dito equal ang laban, fair lahat. So, ewan natin kung anong response nila o anong gagawin nila. I'm pretty sure mayroon din silang mga contingency plans, mayroon din silang mga sinasabing plan B or plan C or plan D or mga intimidating tactics na naman ang gagawin nila. So, we will be waiting for those replies and waiting for those actions sa kanila. Sasagutin naman namin at natin yan na in a polite and legal way din. No? Pero dun sa mga channels namin, talagang mumurahin natin sila ng napakatindi. Los nila.
Mao ginagihulat na ko ba?
Mo na. Musigan ko ng buga na ng mga animal.
Thank you.
This is our fight. This is no longer our fight. This is the fight of the Filipino people. This is the fight for our freedom. This is now an authoritarian government, a totalitarian government. Wala na. This is just a facade. This is just an illusion of a democracy. We are not in fact in a democracy. I'm telling you that. And tell it to your children, tell it to your family, tell it to your friends. We are not in a democracy. This is just an illusion. People running this government are acting like gods. Wala na silang, they're acting with impunity. Wala na. They don't care about your rights. They don't care about your money. They don't care about anything except their own self-interest, their own vested interest, and to perpetuate themselves in power by suppressing and talagang tigihin lahat na ng mga dissenting opinions. No? So, I'm calling on the Filipino people. This is your fight. We need to speak up. We need to stand up. At ito yun. This is the last bastion of our democracy. I hope the Supreme Court will be wise, no? And will be considerate in tackling this petition, and hopefully we can get a favorable ruling from the Supreme Court. Because I still have faith in our justice system, honestly. No, yung legislative at saka executive, colluding na sila, as we all have seen. Pero ang Korte Suprema, I hope, and I still pray, and I still hope, no, na they will still uphold the rule of law and interpret our laws of the land na dinisinyo talaga for the betterment of the entire Filipino nation. So yun lang po, no, and I hope you will be with us in this fight because this is going to be a long and hard battle. It's going to be an uphill climb. So I hope andun kayo at itutulak nyo kami, no?
Sama nyo kami, sir.
Habang tinatahak namin.
Itutulak ka namin, sir.
Salamat po. Salamat po.
Thank
Sa ay magbigay ng pagdilig para sa atin, kundi
Pangulong Duterte. Hinigain si Sara Duterte. Alam natin na it was in her hands already the presidency of the Philippines.
Parang nahilig ang kumag...
Pero parang
nahilig ang kumag...
hindi nila at ito ang kailangan natin.
Para sama-sama tayo. Tapos si...
Kailangan pa natin ma-impeach si Bibi Sara Duterte.
Bili ka. Ito lang oh, pa-selfie. Ito.
Akala niya
Oh, parang may mano. Nakatayo lang.
ay makakasong lang.
Nasa Megit Tribo lang. Wala pa 2,000 yan. Marami sa ano. Episode.
As of the latest na sinabi ng Senado, nagkakaisa ng Senado sa ngayon,
Saan ko nabili yan? Sa DJI. Ha? DJI pa.
pagbalik na daw ng Kongreso. Kung kaya napakahalaga
Ulo ko ni
na
Pente.
magiging role